Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Raza and I am from Rinalakot, Pakistan, and I'm currently based here online teaching students worldwide. I am a certified GED and social media marketing online tutor. And I teach GED subject like math, social studies, science, English, and as well as practical social media marketing skills. I teach in English and Urdu, making lessons easy for all learners. With over 6 years of experience, I specialize in helping students understanding complex GED topics in a clear step-by-step and exam-focused way. In my lesson, you can expect structured explanation, interactive practice questions, quizzes, and real world examples. For social media marketing, I can teach content creation, social media ads, or online branding strategy to students can develop practical digital skills. My lessons are personalized, engaging, and designed to help you achieve your goals quickly and confidently. I would love to help you to succeed in your GED exam or learn social media marketing effectively. So, book a lesson with me today and let's start your journey toward knowledge, skills, and success. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the class.